Hi guys, welcome to Travelzilla. Don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe. So, are you ready for the Star Mountain, one of Latin America's coolest roller coasters? Get ready and let's go! Hey folks, we're now heading to our first roller coaster, the famous Star Mountain. Join me, let's go. The lines look pretty big, an almost 2-hour wait, but hey, I got my fast pass, so I'll be fine. The Star Mountain is one of Latin America's biggest roller coasters. It's got a 35-meter drop and a fantastic sequence of loops. It isn't one of these aggressive coasters, it's pure fun. The ride is awesome in good or cloudy weather. Join me in a cold day just so that you can see for yourself how much fun it is even if the weather isn't so perfect. Let's go. Thanks for staying with me all the way to the end of this video. If you'd like to watch the full video of the Beto Carrero amusement park, watch the video of the FIREWHIP inverted coaster, or the video of the Hot Wheels epic stunt show, check out the iCards on your screen, click on the links in the description or the links at the end of this video. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. See you in my other videos. See you soon. Bye bye.